Right guys, welcome back to another moto vlog. I don't even know where we are. But yep, welcome back. So a topic I wanted to touch on today was I signed up to the army to be a driver with the RLC. It's driving logistics vehicles like this thing here. You start off with a 6-tonner and you go up to 9. And I think it's 15, and then it's like something ridiculous like a 75-ton lorry. But we'll also be driving the Land Rovers. He said the Land Rover's a big one, and quad bikes, which I am looking forward to. I haven't been on a quad bike in years. Be nice to actually learn how to ride one properly, because last time I went on one I was all over the place. But yeah, that happened. I had my interview yesterday, so that would have been Tuesday. Okay, yeah, that would have been on Tuesday. I had my interview, and the interview lasted 10 minutes, but his briefing lasted like an hour and 10 minutes, I think it was. He was talking. He was also a rider as well, the guy interviewing me. He had his own Gixxer 750, and his brother rides a Himalayan. I gave him my YouTube channel because he was interested. Shameless plug, even when I'm getting recruited into the army. So that's going to be cool. They do a bunch of stuff. They go to Land Rover's Owners Club and kind of mess around on their land and do all that kind of training. They do like a mapless run in a convoy in the lorries. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. The only one downside is I've got to wait for my medical history to sort itself out, because apparently I have 5 years of depression. I don't know how they got that number. Also, I don't have a speedo, by the way. The cable broke that connects to the wheel. So yeah, speed cameras are scary at the moment. I've got Waze, but yeah, when you're slamming your brakes on with a GPS speed, it doesn't adjust properly, so I got to slow down way before to let the GPS catch up and calculate the speed. But yeah guys, the army, can't wait. It's the reserves, I forgot to mention that part, but yeah, the reserves as a driver. He said you do weekends, like there's 1 or 2 weekends a month you go to, there's 2-week training courses all throughout the year. And for anyone that's been to uni knows you get like 6 months off throughout the year. It's ridiculous, a waste of time. So I will have time to do the 2-month courses. They're like the class 3 truck license, class 2, class 1. There's ones for off-road, there's ones for pretty much everything. Shooting courses. Got on the Jackals, the Jackal 2s, one of my favourite cars in the army, or vehicles should I say. But yeah, you get to go out in the Jackals and shoot the LMGs on top, the light machine guns. He said until I have training in the vehicle, I can't be a driver at all on any exercises, but I can be a gunner, which will be fun. Firing an LMG from a moving car, vehicle. You can call it a car, it's not really a car, is it? It's an armoured truck. I really need to do my valve clearance. I don't know if you guys can hear it sometimes, it kind of cuts power. Chill for a bit, I think. I need a drink, man. My stomach's killing me. We had German doner kebab for lunch. Never again. My stomach is not agreeing with me right now. But yeah, guys, in part to the whole depression situation. I remember the interview like it was yesterday. It happened years ago, like 10 years ago, when my grandma passed away. And you know, I felt down. Obviously my grandma had passed away. I didn't really have anyone to speak to, so I decided to go to a doctor, and they asked me, oh, have you felt down like previously? And I was like, yeah, like the past 5 years, like I've, you know, been a bit sad, like family members have died. And they put it down as 5 years of depression in one consultation, because I said I was down like on and off for the past 5 years because of people passing away. I don't get how they got to that conclusion, but they've put that on my medical history and it makes no sense. So I'm quite annoyed, and it's stopping me from joining. I have applied before. Yeah, I've applied before, and man, I'm getting so lost. Yeah, I've applied before and the medical history failed, and I thought what had happened is I went for that consultation and they put me down as depressed and didn't close the case, if that makes sense. But no, they put me down for 5 years of depression because I said I felt down about people dying. Like, it's ridiculous, but yeah, it is what it is, you know. You can't win them all. But yeah guys, that's all from me. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, ride safe people. Peace.